Okay, today this is our second day, you know. Gus, I'm with my contemporary, Gus Narciso. Pare, nag-start tayo ng breakfast. Masarap, ano?
Yes,
masarap ang breakfast.
Usual.
Oh, ngayon, pare, meron tayong dalawang coaster.
Okay.
Compliments of Bonito.
Yes.
Anong say mo doon? Napakabait, di ba?
Yeah. The best generosity ever experienced from a batchmate.
Pare, Hotel Felicidad. Yan pala ang pangalan ng hotel. Oy, si
Dave.
Si Dave. Oh, sino yung mga kaklaseng nakikita mo diyan, pare? Huwag mo sabihing mahina ang mata mo. Huwag na tayong mag-zoom. Huwag na tayong mag-zoom kasi hindi to photo. This is video. Ano yung unang pinuntahan natin, pare?
I think we went first to a museum.
Yes. So, museum na may mga artifacts. So, Jose Singson. Talagang itong vegan, teritoryo ng mga Singson.
Yeah. Vegan is a Singson.
Exactly. Singson country. Right? Oo. Anyway, in-enjoy mo ba to, pare?
Of course. Every single
gusto
second.
Ko sa'yo, very positive.
Every single second. Right.
Yeah. And alam mo, pag tumanda na tayo, ito, pina-flashback ko no? Alam mo, ang nagustuhan ko dito, yung meron silang area dito, yung sinasabi nilang, ano bang tawag doon, yung nagkaroon ng problema yung Crisologo tsaka Singson.
Yeah,
nakita mo yung area na yun, no?
Political
right.
battle, yes?
Yes. So, alam mo, ang dami natin pinuntahan. Ito pa lang ang unang-una, no? Kaya hopefully makatagal tayo. Ano yung mga naka-display dyan, pare?
I think this is the Wall of the Saints. All Saints.
Wall of the Saints. I see. Okay. Ikaw ba, pare, religious?
Yeah, I'm very religious since my elementary days.
Buti na lang, pare. Maraming sige tayo pupuntang simbahan mamaya. Ako, nagkataon, hindi na ako religious. Pero anyway, I just say thank you to the Lord that everything's okay. Ano itong mga nakikita mo, pare?
These are potteries made in vegan.
Yeah.
You have vegan tiles, right?
Yeah. Alam mo, ang dami palang ganyan dito sa vegan, ano?
Right.
Ang dami mga pwedeng gamitin sa construction.
Gumbursa.
Yan. Dito ba nag-originate?
Yeah, I think the home,
yeah?
Gumbursa home is situated here or nearby.
Oh, kita mo na, pare. Mabuti lang kung kausap ko kasi pag may nakikita ka, alam mong sasabihin mo. Meron kang history. Sino yung nakatayo na yan?
Sino? Singson heritage, right?
Correct. Ito yung ito yung problema nung during the Crisologo na hindi sila nag-agree, no? Yung area na yun. Okay. So,
the mayor is vegan, historically.
Pare, very observant ka.
Yeah, I try to absorb as much as I could.
Galing. Oh, ito yung gusto ko yung ambience ng vegan. Ang ganda, with cobblestones and everything.
Very historical. These are the mayors.
Puros mga mayors pala yan. So, nandun si Bonito.
Bonito will be placed there in a few months or years.
I see. Wala pa. Okay. So, imagine mo nag-i-enjoy tayo. Ano pa lang to First trip pa lang natin to. This is just the first trip. Ayan, talagang sabi ko nga, pare, itong vegan, magkaroon lang ng magandang airport, pare. Hit na hit ito. Airport lang katapat. Alam mo naman, lahat is all about infrastructure. Ito, ini-explain nung tour guide. No? Tapos, everything is pwede kang mag-cross through a bridge. So, ngayon, from that bridge, may panibago na naman. Ito yung mga...
The home. How different houses are vegan.
Correct.
How they evolved, right?
Yes.
All stone, all wood and stone and everything.
Ang pinakasikat yung tatawag na vegan. Yung vegan tiles.
Yeah, right. Vegan tiles.
Yes. Ito, gaganda ng mga windows niya, pare. Ganda, Talagang original balat yan sa
Spanish touch,
Oo, gaganda. Anyway, so pwede pala tayo magpagawa ng bahay na ipapattern natin na style vegan,
Right.
Di ba? Ayan, yung mga lumang structures. Ito, patapos na tayo. After this, medyo mabilis-bilis na kasi we're going to the next destination, pare.
Right.
Ateneo de Manila.
Anong vlog mo?
Imagine.
Basta lang. Follow me in Facebook.
Anyway, ano to pare? Weaving na, hindi to weaving. Pottery.
Clay.
Pare, nakita ko to, naalala ko yung Ghost movie.
Demi Moore. Famous
Demi Moore. Yung Ghost movie, naalala ko rito, pare.
Mas maganda yung Ghost.
Yun na nga. Anyway, this is quite interesting, ha? Marami palang pwedeng mapanood rito ng mga turista. If ever.
It's a highly tourist place.
Ito parang anak ng isang sikat
he's the son of the originator of that pottery making.
Really?
He's the son of Fidel Antipoda.
Parang hindi ako nagkamali. Ikaw, inibita ko magkomentaryo. Kung hindi, iba-iba yung sasabihin ko. And then after that, you can buy na.
You can buy. So
yes.
All different types and make.
Ganyan ang negosyo no? Kailangan enjoy mo muna, tapos you can buy.
Yeah.
May nabili ka ba rito pare?
I did. I bought a turmeric powder, 12 ingredients.
Turmeric powder?
But the wife, they bought this woven material.
Yeah.
Bed covers.
So, saan na tayo ngayon? We're now in Hidden Garden.
Yeah.
Hidden Garden. Ito pare, na-enjoy ko.
Okay.
Na-enjoy ko. Itong Hidden Garden.
Full of green. Right?
Correct. I wish I had more time.
Full of oxygen,
Correct. Masarap dito mag-unwind.
Yes.
Ikot-ikot ka lang.
Different plants.
Correct. I didn't expect na meron silang mga ganito mga ambience, ha?
Yeah.
I didn't expect, ha? Ang ganda. At saka, sometimes they celebrate weddings daw dito. Itong area na to.
Yeah. That would be good, yeah.
Oo. Alam mo, talagang marami ka talagang pwedeng makita dito sa Vigan. Anong pinaka-favorite nakita mo dito sa Hidden Garden?
I just finished this. Sige.
I was intrigued by the plants.
The plants? Mahilig ka rin?
Yeah, I put plants at home, exterior.
Yeah.
My wife, on the other hand, she's fond of indoor plants.
Ayun, okay. Kaya na-enjoy mo. Na-enjoy mo talaga.
Yes.
Wow. Alam mo kung anong na-enjoy ko dito sa area na to? Yung banyo. Did you try the toilet?
Yeah, meron pang meron pang see-through
Oh.
Akala ko nga may sisilip
Well, anyway, if you're going to Vigan, this is the Hidden Garden. Yes.
Nice,
Pwede niyong pasyalan. And gusto ko lang sana kasi yung mga viewers ko, meron silang masasabing, uy, gusto kong puntahan yun Ba't sabi ng vlogger maganda yun May maganda pala sa Vigan, di ba? Kaya nga I'm trying to share
whatever. All the type of plants and
yan, may nakalagay dyan. Ano ba nakalagay dyan? Marites Group. May comedy rin pala yung itong Hidden Garden, Marites Group, no? Ito isasabi ko yung toilet. Sayang hindi ko na kinunan ng loob kasi maraming pila But it was a very nice toilet. Anyway, after this we go to this weaving na to pare. Medyo mabilis-bilis na yung video rito. So weaving na to. Dito may nabili rin yung wife mo pare.
No, I didn't buy my wife, but the wives of our other classmates, I think they finished off all the woven bed covers and they were nice, they were beautiful.
Halos lahat ng asawa rito may bit-bit Halos lahat may. So you left your wife in Manila?
Yeah, I left her because she was traveling.
I see. Okay, that's good. Right. So ito, kahit papaano, meron din pala silang kumbaga sa Baguio, no? Meron ganun. Kita mo na. Pare, kumukha ng shirt mo. Shirt mo na Ateneo.
Yeah, that's where the woven
correct.
sheet.
At ngayon, nagutom na tayo, pare. Ito, nagulat ako. Magandang restaurant pala to.
Challenging yan.
Maganda.
Eat with our hands,
Yeah. Exactly. Sabi nga ni Rafi sa akin, kinunong ba ako kumakain sa kamay ko? Naku pare, hindi mo kagad sinabi sa akin, kumakain na ako Gusto niya kukunan ko siya kumakain using his hands.
And local entertainment too.
Kanya nga Isipin mo, may local entertainment.
Video for all that kind of make.
Yeah.
May capacity ka pa.
Yun, kinakausap tayo ni Jay Cruz, pare. Yan si Jay Cruz.
The head of the batch.
Correct. Pero at least, pare, ikaw marami kang alam pala sa nakikita mo So how was the food here?
Oh, so, original, authentic.
Authentic. Ako nagustuhan ko yung tilapia.
Yeah.
Para
No,
I
even
felt...
even the what you call this? That restaurant, the name?
Pinakbet. O, ano medyo unique siya.
That's the original,
Galing,
authentic
pare.
pinakbet.
At saka ito maganda nito pare, tingnan mo. Para kinakamay nila yung mga ulam para ibigay sa iyo.
Yan ang challenge yan. I haven't
Kinakamay
been using
nila.
my hands eating for so many years.
Alright. Ayan na pare, entertainment time na. Wow, talaga naman. Imagine that, oh. After kumain ka, you get entertained, ano?
You're Ilocano.
Correct. Oo. So, alam mo, may fish pan kami na isip ko tuloy, maganda tong ganitong idea pala.
Right.
Alam mo, sa tingin ko, lahat nag-enjoy kumain dito eh.
Imbis na gutom pa, no?
Oo. At saka,
Hungry, but the food was good.
ayan, pare, kailangan pasalamat natin. Para yung ating si Bonito,
Bonito.
ang daming ini-explain. Pero kung di dahil sa kanya, wala tayo rito. It's all because of Bonito Singson. Imagine, ha? Sabi ko nga sa kanya, napakagalante mo, Bonito. Oh, ito na yung picture taking na. Okay. Ako, ayoko na sumasama sa ganyan. I'd rather be a vlogger, eh. So,
Typical you, ha?
Yeah. Oh, at least, yung grupo natin, pag sinabi ni J. Cruz, oy, picture muna. Kailangan lahat sasama sa picture. Pag tumawag si J. Cruz, picture muna. Oh, kailangan maganda rin yung may leader sa grupo, eh. Oh, kaya buti meron tayong J. Anyway, ayan, Nasaan ka ba dyan pa rin? Ha? Nakatago ka?
Yeah, right at the back.
Right.
Second row.
Uy, nakita. Ang galing. Oh. Anyway, I wish I had my wife here. Hindi ko alam, pwede palang isama yung mga wife.
Yeah, same here.
Oh.
Coincide the schedule, conflict of schedule.
Oh, yan. Enjoy mga asawa. Ay, ito na yung baluarte.
That I enjoy.
Oo.
That's what I enjoy.
Ito yung pinakagusto mo, yung baluarte.
I haven't seen so much animals dead or alive.
Oo. Tinanong ko nga, baka libre tayo. Lahat tayo senior, eh. Sabi nga ni Ricky, oo nga, lahat kayo senior. Sabi pa tayo nagbabayad. Baka libre tayo. Ito yung Bengal tiger. Huh?
That's right.
You know, I couldn't imagine a person like Chavez Singson na mahilig talaga sa animals.
And hunt them too, ha?
Ito, snow tiger yata tawag dito.
White tiger.
No, snow
tiger.
Ha? In-interview ko galing pa daw ng Africa to pero antukin pare
Busog siya.
Busog antukin. Well anyway, so yun. Kasi ginising nung kanyang caretaker pare, ginising. Anyway, this is a 20-minute thing Nakaka 13 minutes na tayo. I hope you don't mind another 7 minutes. Malapit na tayong matapos. Para ma-upload ko bukas ibang pasyalan na naman tayo pare. Ito kaninong wife to? Mahawak tapang Kaninong wife 'yon? Piti si doktor si Dr. Arambulo. Ang tapang. Ito yung gusto mo sa Pari Gallery, di ba? Ako rin pare
Never
na-impress.
seen so many
Ako rin na-impress ako dito pare.
animals hunted and preserved, ha?
Nagulat ako. Ang ganda pala nito. Alam mo, sino nag-comment kanina? World class daw. May nag-comment yung isang kasama natin na it's a world class museum. How you call this a museum?
Safari gallery.
Safari gallery.
Okay, excuse me.
Yung palang tawag dito para ma-preserve mo. It's called taxiderm. Alam mo ba yun?
Oh, that's chemical, or?
I don't know, para daw taxiderm. Hindi ko alam talaga ibig sabihin. J. Cruz, alam mo sabihin ng taxiderm? Yung mga animals pag na-preserve. Yun. Yung kita mo na, parang hindi kasi tayo mahilig sa mga may hirap na linggo Buti alam ni J. Cruz. Parang dami, no? Ang dami talaga nila. Yan, yung moose.
They can be gigantic, huh?
Imagine, for Chavez Singson to transport all of this. Parehas, mas... imagine,
Decades naman na tayo.
Ha?
It took decades.
Oo nga, Imagine, Ito, na-impress talaga ako dito. Ha? Impress talaga ako dito. Talagang napakaganda. At saka the whole place, mag-enjoy ka kasi may aircon.
Yeah.
Oh, tsaka naka-identify yung mga animals.
Identify, that's right.
Imagine, ano, ilan kaya yung hinanting niya rito? Kamukha niyan. Yan, siguro hinanting niya yan. Kaya may picture siya yan, no?
Siya mismo.
Siya mismo. Ha?
Yeah,
I don't think hinanting niya lahat. Ang dami. Really? Oh, ayan, oh, yes, chubby to.
Some are bought.
Oh.
Yung, for example, yung
So,
African elephant.
look at this, oh. Ang dami niyang pictures, oh. So that means to say talagang he's a real hunter, pare.
He's into it.
Ha? Yan, anong animal yan, pare? Yun. Iba yung sungay, eh.
Iba-ibang sungay.
Iba-ibang sungay. Pero alam mo, it's nice to know. Kung mahilig ka sa animals. Eto, kilala mo niyan. Si Elepante yan.
African elephant, right?
I don't know. Ang dami talaga. Ang ganda niya, oh. Ang ganda talaga siya. Kanya, ito ano to? Anong animal yun? Rhinoceros?
Yeah.
Oh, kita mo na, pare. Kahit pa paano, alam natin. Oo. So much animals. Kanya nga ginagawa ko para, binibilisan ko yung video para hindi nakakasawa. Ang dami kasing animals, eh. Meron pa siyang second floor.
Yung tiger na...
If you want to learn more.
Yeah, second floor had some photographs, historical photographs.
Sabi ni Milo, pare, kunan mo naman ako. Of course, wala problema. Katabi niya si Chavit.
The hunter himself.
Correct. Oh, yan, the hunter himself. Correct. Chavit Singson. No? Ito, natuwa ako rito. Parang dagti 3D, oh.
Yeah. It's a 3D
ganda
display.
Kanya nga, ganda ng effect, oh. So, ibig
It's
sabihin...
hotel, right?
Ha?
That's his hotel.
I'm not so sure, eh. Anyway, siguro, no? O, yan, no? Ito yung... Dito na nagtatawag si J. Cruz. Picture taking na, oh. Ayan, oh. Nasa taas ako, eh, oh. Oh.
White hog.
White hog. Oh. Iba-ibang sungay nila, no? Paano yun, pare, kung lover of animals ka, papatayin mo ba?
That's true. That's dead.
Ha? Ikaw, pare.
Hard.
Kung lover of animals ka, ha? May konting contradiction, no? Kung lover of animals. Pero no choice, eh. Yung mga beef galing yun sa cow, yun, kinakain natin. Sometimes contradiction din, eh. Di ba? So anyway, kaya siguro yung iba nagiging vegetarian. No, I'm not joking, no? Kasi they don't want to kill animals. But anyway, ayan na yung group picture, pare. That's our group picture. Yes. We have about 3 more minutes bago natin tayo mag-end. You can enjoy.
Almost 40 all in all.
Yeah. Then you can enjoy your coffee. You know, it's so nice, ano? Pare, 50 years in the making na magkakasama itong batch na to. When you say batch natin, it's called we're contemporaries. Tama ba? We are contemporaries. Not classmates, contemporaries. Contemporaries. Yes. So, wild boar. And napakarami talaga, no? Napakaraming animals. Kanya yung mga nakakapanood nito, I think they should try going to vegan and explore this place, no?
And it's very deep, very deep in history.
Correct.
Heritage city.
Oh, ito, last part na to. As
the Archdiocese of...
So, ito na yung last part, no? Before we will have dinner. Di ba?
Yeah.
Yun nga lang, pinagbawal yung vlogger sa loob, pare. Bawal daw mag-vlog, so I could only take the outside part. Bawal daw, eh. So, sino to? Obispo ba yan?
Yeah.
Siguro, no? Anyway, so this is the... Yeah. Rolly Baron. It's my... Yeah. No, it's on YouTube. Sineshare ko lang yung mga vlogs ko. Ito. Yeah, lahat ng travels ko. Yes. Yan, tinatangan ako ni J. Cruz, eh. Yan, tapos na. Pero actually, hindi pa tapos kasi papasok pa tayo sa simbahan. Oh? Siguro medyo nagdasal ka rito, no?
Of course.
Pinasukan tayo, no?
Because it was damaged by the earthquake, I think.
Ganun ba?
Yeah.
Damaged ba yan? Uy, may kasamang McDonald's, oh. No? Katabi niya. Pare, malapit na tayong magpaalam at gas. Maraming salamat, Kasi i-upload ko na to para dumami yung aking mga followers.
You offered something?
Yeah. Ito. kinunong ko to extra. Meron parang Sacred Heart sa labas eh. Oh, siguro dito mag-offer ka ng candles. Oh, yan, may souvenir na naman, pare. Oh, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Gus.
Thank you too.
Okay, see you again,
Yeah.
ha?
We'll see you the next trip, next
Okay.
journey.
Thank you. So we end our day at Vegan with friends who love to play pickleball. Yes, this is our batch 75 from Ateneo de Manila. So we need to exercise, and we're going to have another dinner, compliments of Bonito Singson. May pickleball pala rito. So if I go to Vegan next time, I could always play the game of pickleball. Thank you for watching the vlogs, and see you again next time.